Welcome to today's online English class. Today we are going to discuss the second part of the beautiful story, The God of River. Now, in the last class, we had discussed that Ramesh used to collect garbage from his home every day and throw it in the nearby river. This made the god of the river very sad. He appeared before Ramesh and said, I am very sad because you are always throwing garbage into my water and polluting it. Now Ramesh asks, what do you mean by polluting water? Now let us find out what did the god of river answer Ramesh. So here is the story. The water god said, when you throw garbage into the water, it gets dirty. This garbage contains chemicals and plastics which are very harmful for the fish. It has germs too. If someone drinks this water, he or she may catch diseases like typhoid and jaundice. Ramesh was surprised to know all this. He felt guilty for polluting the river so much. He took his garbage and went back to his home. Next day, Ramesh went to his school and shared his experience with his friends and his teacher. The teacher gave him more information about pollution. Now that's the end of part 2. Now let us discuss the word meanings of the story. Chemicals, CHEMICALS. Chemicals means substances that react with other substances and cause some changes in properties. जो फैक्ट्रीज़ में और लेबॉर्ट्रीज़ में जो इस्तेमाल होते हैं वो सारी चीज़ें केमिकल्स कहलाती हैं. टाइफॉइड, TYPHOID. Typhoid means a disease in which a person suffers from fever for many days. ये एक तरह का लंबे समय तक चलने वाला बुखार है. जॉन्डिस, JAUNDICE. Jaundice means a disease in which the skin and eyes turn yellow. पीला हो जाता है सारा शरीर और ये लिवर खराब होने से होता है गंदा पानी पी के. गिल्टी, GUILTY. Guilty means feeling bad for doing something wrong. Now let us discuss some comprehension from the same part. Garbage makes the river water dash. ये देखिए, garbage into the water, it gets dirty. So your answer should be dirty. Second, dash and dash in garbage are harmful for fish. Garbage contains chemicals and plastics which are very harmful for the fish. तो यहाँ आंसर क्या होगा? Chemicals and plastics. If we drink polluted water, we may catch diseases like dash and dash. If someone drinks this water, polluted water, he or she may catch diseases like typhoid and jaundice. So your answer for number 3 will be typhoid and jaundice. Ramesh felt dash for polluting the river. ये देखिए he means Ramesh. He felt guilty for polluting the river. So your answer will be Ramesh felt guilty for polluting the river. Name two waterborne diseases. Waterborne मतलब जो पानी खराब पानी पीने से डिजीज होता है. We have already discussed it. वो दोनों डिजीज का नाम है टाइफॉइड एंड jaundice. So you read the lesson well, learn all the meanings, and complete the comprehension questions. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.